The world is changing. We live in a digital age. Our lives are online. Information is power. Protecting that information is critical. This is where cybersecurity comes in. It's the shield against digital threats. Cybersecurity is a growing field. It's exciting and challenging. Are you ready to join the fight? You don't need a college degree to start in cybersecurity. Many start with certifications. Certifications show you have the skills. They prove you are ready to learn. Don't be intimidated by the technical jargon. Everyone starts somewhere. With hard work and the right certifications, you can build a successful career. There are many cybersecurity certifications. Some are better for beginners. CompTIA Security Plus is a great starting point. It teaches the basics of cybersecurity. Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH, is another good option. You'll learn how hackers think. Cisco CCNA Security focuses on network security. It's a valuable skill in today's world. CompTIA Security Plus is globally recognized. It validates your foundational knowledge. You'll learn about threats and vulnerabilities. You'll understand security concepts. This certification prepares you for real-world situations. You'll know how to protect systems. CompTIA Security Plus is your first step towards a cybersecurity career. Section 5, Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH, is all about thinking like the enemy. CEH takes you inside the mind of a hacker. You'll learn their tactics and techniques. This knowledge helps you anticipate attacks, and you'll be able to prevent them. CEH demonstrates your ability to think like a hacker. This is valuable to employers, as it shows you can identify and fix vulnerabilities. You become an asset to any organization. Section 6. Cisco CCNA Security, Guarding the Networks. Networks are the backbone of the digital world. Protecting them is crucial. Cisco CCNA Security teaches you how to secure networks. You'll learn about firewalls and VPNs. This certification is in high demand. Many companies rely on Cisco technologies. CCNA Security can open doors to exciting opportunities. You'll be a sought-after professional. Section 7. Opening doors. Job opportunities await. These certifications open doors to many jobs. You can be a security analyst. You could work as a network security engineer or a systems administrator. Cybersecurity is a growing field. There are many opportunities. With hard work and dedication, you can build a successful career. Section 8. The journey begins. One certification at a time. Don't be overwhelmed. Start with one certification. Choose the one that interests you the most. Focus on learning and understanding. There are many resources available. Online courses, books, and practice exams. Take your time and study consistently. You will succeed. Section 9. Embrace the challenge. A future in cybersecurity awaits. Cybersecurity is a rewarding career. You'll be protecting the world from digital threats. It's a challenging field, but don't be discouraged. With hard work, you can achieve your goals. Start your journey today. Get certified and become a cybersecurity professional. The future awaits.